Hello everyone, welcome to bnbioscience. Myself Vishnu Priya Naik. Today we are going to practice some questions on biochemistry. It is the set 9 of the BN Bioscience test series. It consists of 10 questions. Each consists of 4 options. Out of the 4 options, one answer is the correct one. So stay tuned with me till the video ends. So let's start. The first question is, a nucleoside differs from nucleotide in not having, the options are A, sugar, B, phosphate, C, nitrogen base, D, phosphate and sugar. So the answer is B, phosphate. So students, nucleotide, it is the DNA or the RNA. Usually it consists of a sugar part. So DNA consists of the deoxyribose sugar and RNA consists of the ribose sugar. Apart from that, it consists of nitrogen bases and a phosphoric molecule, that is the phosphate. Okay. So if the phosphate is not present, it is called as nucleoside. So the next question is number 2. Which one is not protein? The options are A, myosin, B, actin, C, albumin, D, hematin. So which of the following option is not a protein? So the answer is D, hematin. Hematin is not a protein. If you see the myosin and actin, they are found in the muscle. If you see the albumin, it is found in the egg, but hematin is not a protein, but it is a bluish black component found in, it is extracted from the hemoglobin. If we remove the protein part and the iron part is getting oxidized, then a black bluish component is found, that is called as hematin. So the next question is number 3. Enzyme amylase belongs to, the options are A, transferases, B, hydrolysis, C, isomerases, D, oxidoreductase. The answer is B, hydrolysis. The enzyme amylase, it belongs to hydrolysis family of the enzyme. Okay, so next question is number 4. Phylloquinone is another name for, the options are A, vitamin B1, B, vitamin B6, C, vitamin A, D, vitamin K. So phylloquinone is other name for, the answer is D, vitamin K. So students, vitamin K is very essential for our body. It helps in the wound repair mechanism, that is the clotting of the blood, and it also strengthens our bone. So next, number 5, emulsification of fat will not occur in the absence of, the options are A, lipase, B, bile pigments, C, bile salts, D, pancreatic juice. So the answer is A, lipase. Emulsification means it is a mechanism of mixing of two liquids which are usually unmixable. So here, if we want to mixing a fat with water, it does not mix up without the help of the lipase enzyme. Okay. So next, number 6. Surplus amino acids are broken down and turned into urea in, the options are A, pancreas, B, liver, C, kidneys, D, spleen. So the answer is B, liver. So mostly the amino acids are broken down in a large number and turned into urea in the liver, which is also the largest gland of our body. So next question is number 7. Buffer is usually a mixture of, the options are A, weak base and weak acid, B, weak acid with salt of strong base, C, weak acid and strong acid, D, strong base and strong acid. So think about it. Our blood is also a buffer solution. So the answer is B, weak acid with salt of strong base. So buffer solutions are usually a mixture and consist of weak acid with some salt of the strong base. So next question is number 8. Oxidation of pyruvate occurs through, the options are A, citric acid cycle, B, tricarboxylic acid, C, Krebs cycle, D, all of the above. So the oxidation of pyruvate is the mixing of oxygen molecule with the pyruvate. The combination it occurs through which of the following method or cycle? So the answer is D, all of the above. The oxidation of pyruvate it occurs through the citric acid cycle. It also occurs through the tricarboxylic acid, and it also occurs through the Krebs cycle. Okay, so the next question is number 9. The protein part of enzyme is, the options are A, prosthetic group, B, apoenzyme, C, holoenzyme, D, zymogen. Which is the protein part of an enzyme? So the answer is A, prosthetic group. The next question is number 10. Joining of repeating units to form a macromolecules is called, the options are A, polymerization, B, aggregation, C, polymorphism, D, condensation. The repeated joining of the repeating units to form a macromolecules. What is called, the method is called what? The answer is A, polymerization. So friends, it is the end of this series. If you have not still liked the channel, like it, share it and subscribe it. If you have any queries regarding anything, if you want any, if you have any suggestion for new topics, so comment me in the comment box. If you can also mail me in the email ID given in the description box. So friends, thank you. We'll meet in the next sessions. Till then, Jai Hind.